All right, guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Just want to give you guys a quick update and kind of continue the 16 days of videos this year as well. I didn't really have a video topic, but I wanted to give you guys an update. On Friday, I will be revealing something. Hey, come back here. I will be revealing something on the channel that will be a turning point, I think. I want to tell you so bad, but I won't. A few of you already know from the live streams, but something's coming on Friday that's going to be a great success or helpfulness to the channel. So I want to share that information with you guys, and I can't wait to show you. And then also, one other thing that I already forgot, great. Yeah, I might be meeting up with Mad Electrician tomorrow again. Well, I mean, I'll probably meet him again tomorrow, but I don't know if we'll be able to make another video or not, so stay tuned for that. I will get update on that probably in the morning, or unless he's still up right now, I'm not sure. So anyway, stay tuned for that. So that's all I got for you guys tonight. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. Stay safe out there. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Check the description for anything else. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Hit the like and subscribe if you haven't already. See you guys back here. Stay tuned, and thank you for all the support. For anyone that has came over from Mad Electrician's channel, thank you for the support. I appreciate it, and hopefully you guys will enjoy your stay. God bless. Peace out.